Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to slay your eyebrows, so keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are
The first step, I use Got to Be Glued on my eyebrow hairs to lay them on the skin, as you can see, using a spoolie brush, and that helps to get the eyebrow hairs out of the way so that I'm able to draw my eyebrows in the shape that I want. I use the Tecnique by Japan eyebrow pencil, and I just mimic my brow hairs. I just draw the hair like strokes, and this pencil is very natural. As you can see, it's a very light brown color, and this helps me achieve the most natural perfect eyebrows. So after drawing the hair like strokes, I try to draw the tail, because at the end part of my eyebrows I hardly have brow hairs, so that's the part I concentrate on, as you can see, drawing the tail. But the other parts I just draw the hair like strokes and gently outline my eyebrows. Yeah, so I just do the same process on both eyes, and then go back to my spoolie brush and brush the eyebrows completely. So after this, I take my Legal Pro concealer. This is in the shade Fawn, and what I like to do is use my concealer brush, apply the concealer on both sides, and make sure that the brush is well coated with the concealer and it's flat. I normally start defining my eyebrows at the arc, and that's the place I normally concentrate a lot of concealer on, because I want the arc to be so defined. And I normally take my time, don't be in a hurry to define the brows with concealer, so that you won't cause chaos on the brows, because when that concealer touches your brow hairs, it's gonna be a mess. So as you can see, I normally blend the concealer towards my lid. So for the other eye, I normally make sure that I've extended the concealer to meet the concealer on the other eyebrow, and if they meet, I'm good. I know that my eyebrows are level. When you meet the two concealers on both eyes meet at the front part, your eyebrows are on the same level. So always blend the concealer towards the lid space. And as you can see, I used the same concealer on the top part of my brow, though for most of my looks I normally use foundation on the top part, because that way it's more natural. But for this specific tutorial and the look I was going for when doing this makeup look, I wanted very defined brows. That's why I used the same concealer for the bottom and the top part of the eyebrow. So yeah, as you can see, we are popping, honey, we are popping. The brows are popping. So if you guys are keen, my brows are at the same level. I've met the concealer. I make sure that the concealers are meeting, and then I can wipe that later, as you can see, with my finger or a brush. So I normally use a fluffy brush to blend out the concealer. Make sure it's well blended. Make sure you don't have any harsh lines, and always use a concealer that is only 2 shades lighter. Don't use a concealer that is 5 shades lighter than your skin tone. It's gonna be a mess. Just 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, that's enough. Then I normally take my spoolie brush and a tiny bit of concealer, and use that at the front part of my eyebrow to make that front part faded. Yeah, and then I use my finger to wipe off the excess. Make sure that the eyebrows are not too close together, that they have the same length. So there we have our beautiful eyebrows. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a card up here so that you guys can check a more detailed tutorial, a soap brow tutorial that I had done before. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.